This is their finale here. And they're doing the split thing. So this is the Patriot Jet team out of California saving our Seafair 2013. And they're doing a great job. We're down on I-90. And I wanted to show Mary what Seafair is all about. She hears me saying it over and over again, but it's just in case one video is better than the other. So this is pretty cool. There's some guys over there. I'm going to get Mary to show that she came down to Seafair. Take a look in the picture. Hey Mary, are you enjoying this? This is Lake Washington. This is what Seafair is all about.
Beautiful weather.
Yeah, all the boats out there and having these jets just fly past you, which is pretty cool. And you can't get any closer than this unless you're on the water, of course. You can get out there a little bit closer. You just saw some maneuvers going on. They do Blue Angel type of maneuvers here. And the cool thing is they actually have some pretty cool smoke stream that make it red, white, and blue. And they're coming right above us. They're going to buzz us. Woohoo! Yay! They're pretty noisy. And if I had positioned us above on the street, which I was going to do, but we got parking down below, so I came down to the water for us. But if we were up higher, they would have been buzzing us even more. But we get to see the whole show because we're down below. So usually we don't get to see what's going on the water when we go up above. We just see them buzzing us. So you get into the whole show right now by sitting this close to the water. And we're almost at center point. I was going to try and get her on I-90, but we got over here so late. And this is a spontaneous thing anyway, so not bad, right?
Yeah.
So, anyways. Patriots Jet team out of California, 2013.